Hey everyone, Thomas here at mgmclassiccars.com. I would like to say thank you for tuning in and spending your time on my channel here at MGM. And I also want to thank all of my 60,000 subscribers. I never thought I would get to that number. I am very pleased and very thankful for all the subscribers and future subscribers, if you wanted to click that button. But let's see, today I have this 1986 Porsche 944. It's got a 2.5 liter inline-four. It's paired with a 5-speed manual transaxle. It was purchased by the seller's father, the guy that I got it from, in 2017, and ownership was transferred into 2023. And subsequent work included the R134A refrigerant conversion to the vehicle. We serviced both door latches as well, resealing the oil cooler and replacing the power steering suction hose and assorted hood release components. As you can see, guys, gals, the car is finished in guards red over black leather. The car is equipped with, as you can see here, 15-inch, okay. Beautiful alloy wheels. Sunroof, as you can see here, it is power. It does tilt up, and it is totally removable, if you guys didn't know that. Pop-up headlights, they do function correctly. I showed that in my photos. And obviously you see on the bottom there the fog lights. On the interior, what was upgraded was the Blaupunkt CD stereo with Bluetooth. Yeah, Bluetooth, you can connect your Bluetooth to it. This 944 is also offered with a build sheet, owner's manual, service records, toolkit, 3 keys, Carfax report, and a clean title from Tennessee. Gorgeous paint too. So the car is finished in guards red. It's an LM3A paint code. Features sunroof, like I talked about. It's a bold color side moldings, as you can see there, guys. Rear spoiler, okay. Rear window wiper. We talked about the pop-up headlights, fog lights, and so forth and so on. If I forgot to mention the tires, the Sumitomos, those are 215/60s, okay, with the ASP 02 tires, as you can see there. Car is equipped with the Bilstein dampers. The braking is handled by 4-wheel power assisted ventilated discs. The front struts were also replaced in July 2021. The interior features seats upholstered in black leather, as you can see there. They're in excellent condition. And body color trim has been added to the dashboard, as you can see. Okay, door panels as well. Additional appointments include air conditioning, central locking, retrofitted dashboard cap, and we talked about the head units. Clutch repair pedal was done in January of 2020, and work in 2024 included converting the air conditioning to the R34A refrigerant, as I will show you under the hood. The 4-spoke leather wrap steering wheel is what it has, okay. It frames a 170 mile per hour speedometer. It's got 125,000 miles on the vehicle. But look at how they took care of this thing. Wow. Okay, let's check out what's under the hood. This is a water-cooled 2.5 liter M44 inline that features Bosch engine management and was a factory rating at about 147 horsepower, guys. A whopping 144 foot-pounds of torque. Very fun to drive, though. Very fun. The accessory drive belt and engine mounts were replaced on this little Porsche in 2021. Replacement voltage regulator was installed in 22. New power steering suction hose was fitted in 23 and in service April of 24, including oil and coolant changes and resealing the oil cooler. Let's check out the passenger side, show you how clean that is. Okay. Yep, look at that. Back seat. Excellent. Toolkit in the back. Gorgeous car. Very, very nice. Let's fire this thing up, man. All right, let's do this. Best part of the video here. All right. Seems like everything is in working condition here. Okay, let's get the seat belts on and adjust the mirrors. Go for a nice little test drive. Air conditioning is cold. And we are ready to go, man. So MGM Classic Cars is located, guys, at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. This is one of two showrooms that we have in the building. Equals about 36,000 indoor square feet. And we got about another 50 cars outside, so we're looking at about 200 cars here. We also have a full service department, which we'll drive by. Yeah, we're right behind Cassidy Tires. So this building to the, this brown building to the right is our building. That's our service department on the right side. We got 4 bays and another 13,000 square feet there. So we service the vehicles, we go through them, we obviously test drive them, fix them. And so far here on this little Porsche 944, everything seems to pan out real nice here. Drives good. Clutch feels great. Shifter feels perfect. All the windows do work up and down. Let's get them closed up so you can hear me a little better. Okay. This is going to be a fun test drive. I love these little cars with the 5-speed manual trans. Oh yeah. I'll get on the brakes a little bit more heavier. Engine sounds great, shifts good. And it is quiet on the inside, guys. No squeaky noises. Very nice. Very impressed with this car so far. And it's fun. I mean, it's fun to drive. I mean, the 5-speed. Yeah, this is really fun. So I've been doing this for 26 years now as a profession. We got great connections with lenders if you need. I can get you financed. You only need 10% down for a loan on this car. So 10% of the purchase price is all you would need down. And I can finance the rest, including your sales tax, and I can include your delivery charges if you're out of state. Yeah, this car is really smooth. Downshifts, let's see here, from third to second. Nice. Very nice. You have a shift indicator here on the dash that tells you when to shift too. Little red light on, a little yellow light on an arrow tells you as well. Great oil pressure. This car's ready to go. Ready for a new family, ready for a new home, ready for new memories, and ready for new fun. That's for sure. So yeah, if you need the financing portion, that's the easy part, guys. Obviously, you'll need good credit. Interest rates start at about 8%. Long-term financing, low payments, that's what we specialize in. You can find that application at mgmclassiccars.com. Credit score, I don't know, 640 to 640 and above. All right, let's see how this thing handles around this turn here. I take this turn at about 35 to 40 miles an hour, and it handles. Porsches are known. They're known to handle very well. So that concludes my video, guys. If you need delivery, call or text me with your zip code. Tell me the year, make, and model, or send me a picture to my number, and I'll get you a quote right to your driveway, guys. If you're looking for a clean 944, guys, this is it. Hope the video helped you making your decision. You can call or text me with your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk very soon. Bye-bye for now.